It's actually thanks to Dave for inviting me.
I am an imposter. I
Just bring him to hold the phone up.
You have a phone holder.
how did you know?
One established, open mic performer doesn't have a person to carry a phone with them.
How did you know my job?
This song
I'm
is
getting
called Tears in the
tired.
Rain. It's not as depressing as it sounds. It's just it's that watching Blade Runner. That big speech at the end, inspiration from that. Into this world, into this life, till you make the grade, till you know what's right, full of enlightenment, do you like the surprises, do you count your days and how you spend your life, how you spend your night, where's your goals, how to move the post, in this party are you that gets opposed, full of hatred, are you void of interest, is this a rehearsal, is this your even test, and it's a crying shame that nobody told you it's a player's game, when the odds are against you, you don't cry, when they laugh at your song, you smile at ease, when you meet your God, you're slowly growing insane, when a universal brain, we're just fading away, like tears in the rain. Do we pass for androids, evolve as aliens? Does it really matter when we're all the same? Constantly circling, constantly flirting, never fervent, never hurting. And it's all the same that nobody told you, 'cause you never know when the odds are against you. You fill the void with all who's fake. It's hard to be shy when the world is a stage. You're slowly growing insane. When a universal brain, we're just fading away like tears in the rain. We're playing like tears in the rain. We're straight like tears in the rain. We're fade like tears in the rain. Woo! Is it the end game? Is it the end game? Is it the end game for you? Is it the end game? Is it the end game? Is it the end game for you? Is it the end game? Is it the end game? Is it the end game for you? Is it the end game? Is it the end game? Is it the end game? Do what you think, do what you preach, what you believe to be true. You're just an inch when you fall the least, even pays for it too. What a beautiful run, what a beautiful bond, what a beautiful time for a beautiful start. It's all the lies, it's all the spies, the will to live, the will to die away.
Okay, Jack.